Hey guys, Angelique here. In today's video, I'll be covering how to make money on Upwork as a freelancer. Now, before I jump into the goods of this video, I just wanted to let you guys know about the free workshop I have going on, where we are giving the exact strategy about how this 62-year-old woman was able to make $160,000 in just 90 days. So if you are looking for ways to make money online and want to learn the secret behind that methodology, make sure you check out the free workshop in my description. So Upwork is a great marketplace to get started as a freelancer. The site essentially helps professionals find projects, communicate with clients, and make sure you get paid. So if you're starting off using a platform like Upwork that processes payments for you, invoices clients for you, but also manages your work hours for you, is super beneficial because obviously as someone getting started in the industry, you likely don't have the systems in place to set up things like payment processing, but also chase down clients who don't pay you. As someone getting started, you can essentially rack up client experience without having to cold pitch yourself to clients, which again is huge, especially if you're starting off. But because of the nature of the site, it's full of talent all over the world competing for different pay rates. So if you're starting off, you'll probably want to start off at a lower hourly wage, and then as you get experience, you can increase that wage. So first things first, when you're getting started on Upwork, you'll want to create a profile that really explains who you are and what you offer. It essentially serves the same purpose as a resume, so that people who want to hire you know your area of expertise, your experience, and get to know you as a person. So you'll want to make sure that you cover all the different experiences that you have, but also skills you have. This is all self-reported, and odds are they won't do a background check, but it's really important to be honest because obviously it shows who you are as a person. After that, you'll need to add a headshot. So professional photographs are great because it shows your professionalism, but obviously if you don't have professional headshots, even just taking something on your phone on a plain background and looking smart and professional is a great way to present yourself in an image. You'll also need to provide a detailed background of you, your education, your work experience, and everything you basically would put on a resume. The next thing you would do is to choose a membership plan as a freelancer. The first one is the basic plan, which is free. Essentially though, you'll have to pay to connect with clients, and essentially on the basic plan, freelancers pay 15 cents for each connect. This uses the platform's internal tokens, which are used to submit proposals to prospective clients. However, if someone reaches out to you, you won't have to pay for those connects. The more robust your profile looks, the more likely you are to receive job opportunities from potential clients. So this goes back to creating a profile that's really robust, but also displays your experience as a freelancer. If you're new to the field, volunteer and even free work experience also counts, so make sure to include that as well. The second plan is called the Plus plan, which is $14.99 per month. It includes everything the basic plan has, as well as 70 connects per month, visibility into what price competitors have bid for the job, option to keep earnings confidential, ability to customize your profile URL, and your profile never being hidden to possible clients due to inactivity. From there, once you choose the plan you want to be on, you'll then be able to connect with employers or people looking to hire someone for a specific project or job. You will then be able to submit a proposal for specific jobs within your wheelhouse of expertise. Proposals typically include your introductory level, your desired fee, and answers to questions that a client may add in their job post. You can also send examples of work if it's relevant to the job. Before applying to a gig, it's important to do some research into the person who is hiring so you can get a feel of what it's like to actually work with the person. Oftentimes people who post jobs on Upwork have worked with Upwork freelancers in the past, so it's important to look at their reviews and get an understanding of what it would be like to work with a client. Bad clients do exist, so you want to mitigate the risk of working with one of those. So if people have reviewed negatively in the past, you may want to avoid applying to those jobs as well. From there, you'll then be able to set your prices and start working. Upwork does take a cut out of your earnings, but I think the benefits totally outweigh the fees because Upwork ensures you actually do get paid. They have a variety of different clients that are already going to them looking for specific freelancers to work on projects and jobs. Over time, the more you work through Upwork, the lesser the payment cut will get. So just to review the payment fees, Upwork takes 20% of the first $500 you bill to a client, 10% for total billings between $500.01 and $10,000, and then 5% of total billings that exceed $10,000. So you can get paid in one out of two ways. You can get paid hourly or for a fixed price on the project, and Upwork's fees are the same for both. So say for example you want to charge $20 per hour to start off with, they will take 20% out of that, so you can expect to get paid $16 of that $20 that you charge. Again, the more you work, the lower those fees get, which incentivizes you to get really great at your job, apply to a variety of different jobs, work with more clients through the Upwork platform, and essentially build your portfolio of work experience through Upwork while also protecting your ability to get paid and also not have to cold pitch to clients on the phone or on video. Everything is done through message. And then after the job is done, you can ensure that the client will pay Upwork and Upwork will pay you minus their processing fees. So that's essentially how to make money on Upwork and how to get started on Upwork as a freelancer. So I hope that video helped and helped explain kind of the journey of getting started with Upwork. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post. Again, I know I mentioned it in the beginning of this video, but if you are looking for ways to make money online, make sure you check out the link in my description to find out more about how this 62-year-old woman was able to make $160,000 in just 90 days. So make sure you check out the link in my description to find out more. Thanks so much for being here and sticking it out with me until the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!